We'll be examining a position versus time graph and calculating the path length and the average speed for the time interval 0 to 60 seconds. We begin at 0 seconds at the location of 40 meters. And since we're examining the path length, we need to account for every single step traveled during these 60 seconds. So for the first 20 seconds, we go from 40 all the way down to negative 30. So 40 to negative 30, that would be a total of 70 meters. All right, then we go from 30 seconds at negative 30 all the way to 46 seconds at positive 50. So when we look at the path length here, we go from negative 30 to positive 50. All right, that will be a total of 80 meters traveled. When we examine path length, we're just concerned with how many total meters or distance we traveled for each little segment. We're not worried about the direction. So in the last, from the time interval 46 to 60 seconds, we go from 50 to 10, which should be a total of 40 meters. All right, so the entire path length for these 60 seconds would be the addition of 70, 80, and 40, which is 190 meters. And that's different from displacement, where you just need the final and the initial points. So the path length covers the total path traveled. All right, now to figure out the average speed, all right, the average speed is the path length divided by the change in time. So we have 190 meters over 60 seconds, and that would give you 3.16 meters per second.